12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
How about 18? No 18? All right, so there's 17 vehicles here. And it's a very exciting time today because we have the Robocar police station, and we have a delicious food truck driven by Donnie and Patty, and we have a Hello Kitty refrigerator, and we have lots of Robocar Poli and Tayo characters. What's going on next? Maybe somebody, I think Mira wants to buy a sausage, is that right?
No, but Levi is hungry.
All right, Mira. Can you give up some money to the cook? Who's cooking? Jet?
Some chocolate to eat.
Okay. Can you cook? Let's hear the cooking sound.
Wait a second. I want to give you now chocolate. Chocolate.
Some chocolate from the refrigerator?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate. I want to give her
Some of that Krong chocolate. That's the best kind. Give me the Krong chocolate, please.
Yes. Wait a second. Wait.
Just wait a second, Mira. Just wait a second, okay?
Wait.
You have to wait a second because we're trying to get that chocolate for you. Just wait a second.
In the drawer. Back drawer.
It's in the back drawer. I'm so hungry. Where's my chocolate?
Wait.
I want it right now.
Papa, wait a second.
You have to wait a second, Mira. Oh, I'm so hungry.
Wait.
Mira, can you wait a second, please?
Yeah.
You got it. Wow, let me see the chocolate. Show it to the camera, Angela. Oh. Nice, we're cooking. She's making chocolate souffle.
Corn chocolate.
Mira's gonna eat some Krong chocolate. Yum, yum, yummy. Yum, yum, yummy. Krong chocolate. Krong chocolate. Is anyone gonna share the Krong chocolate with Mira? How about Helly? We're the same color. Can we share? How about Cab? How about Cab? I want some.
They had to.
Oh, I'm gonna eat all the chocolate. Oh, that's my chocolate.
That's my chocolate. Don't eat it.
I'm gonna eat it.
Yes, don't eat that.
Oh, that's not nice, Cab. Don't do that.
Yes.
Oh, mommy, please. Can I have some?
Yes, but you should go to food truck.
All right, Minnie. Can you go to the food truck, please? Yes, I want to eat
yogurt.
some yogurt. Do you have any yogurt?
Yes.
Okay, I have $2. Is the yogurt ready yet?
Oh, yogurt.
Where's my yogurt?
Here.
Hurry up. I'm eating all the chocolate. Yum, 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 yum. I got my yogurt. Ha, 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 ha.
I'm the police car. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. What are you gonna give the police car to eat?
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake? Is it his birthday?
Oh, it does. It's a dinner birthday cake.
It's dinner birthday cake? Okay. You're cooking the birthday cake? You're baking it? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. That's going to be $5. You have $5, police car?
Yes. Here.
Here you go.
Oh, yummy birthday cake.
Okay, come sit next to Minnie. Is her name Minnie? I think her name's Minnie, right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this police car have googly eyes.
No, he don't.
No, he doesn't?
He has eyes.
He just has regular eyes. Oh my gosh, he's eating a Play-Doh birthday cake too.
That's a dinner birthday cake.
Yum, yum, it is good.
I'm
Good. Oh, I love this chocolate. And how about Cleanie's hungry now?
He's hungry about this cake.
Alright, let's give some food to Cleanie. Go to the Dinner car, please.
No. Dinner truck.
The dinner truck, excuse me. What are you making for cleaning?
The cake.
Looks good. We're just watching everyone eat. Where's Cleany? Oh, Cleany's got a slice of cake. So Mira has a bar of chocolate.
Bobby the bus want to eat.
Oh, Bobby the bus too, but Bobby's pretty big. I think Bobby's gonna eat a lot of food.
I think let's do like this.
Hi, I'm Bobby the bus.
I think
Let's see Bobby's face. I'm so hungry.
do that there. Here.
I'm so hungry.
How about this with this one?
Okay, this is last one, okay?
Yes.
What is Bobby gonna eat?
Yes. Oh, he there.
I'm hungry. Where's my food?
We have to cook.
We have to cook it first, Bobby. Come on, wait a minute. Bobby, can you wait a minute, please?
This.
I'm hungry.
Here.
Here you go.
Wow, yummy.
What is it? Oh my gosh, it looks like some bread. So all the characters have all the delicious meals.
Fix this tail.
Alright, let's fix Bobby's shirt first.
Here, is Bobby that was Kentucky.
Great. The end.
They're eating.
They are. Nom 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 nom.